Machines that were once the pride of the Soviet Union are now meeting their end against modern steel. This is the complete visual record of aircraft shot down in combat. We begin our complete visual record by examining the heavy losses among combat jets, starting with the Sukhoi Su-24 tactical bomber, flying deep strikes against enemy positions. Nearly 30 of these aging variable sweep-wing jets were shot down by advanced surface-to-air missiles. Stepping up to the Tupolev Tu-22M, this massive strategic bomber brings heavier payload capacity than the Su-24. Two were recently downed, dealing heavy blows to deep strike operations. Shifting from heavy bombers to agility, the General Dynamics F-16 introduces a lightweight, fly-by-wire multi-role frame. Tragically, one highly anticipated jet was destroyed during a massive missile barrage. Unlike the lightweight F-16, the Sukhoi Su-25 is heavily armored for close air support. Both sides lost over 40 of these rugged jets to shoulder-fired missiles while flying low. Moving from low-altitude armor to extreme speed, the Mikoyan MiG-31 introduces Mach 3 interception. Two were heavily destroyed near Crimean airbases by targeted drone strikes and sudden technical failures. Trading straight-line speed for pure dogfighting maneuverability, the Sukhoi Su-27 heavy fighter saw roughly 15 units destroyed during intense air combat and deadly long-range surface-to-air missile ambushes. Unlike the heavy Su-27, the Mikoyan MiG-29 is a lighter, highly agile tactical fighter. Roughly 30 of these jets were destroyed in intense low-level dogfights and radar-guided missile intercepts. Switching from traditional swept wings to a sleek delta wing design, the Dassault Mirage 2000 offered unique aerodynamic efficiency. At least one was tragically shot down inside dense air defense networks. Advancing from single-seat fighters, the Sukhoi Su-30 introduced a tandem two-seat layout for complex multi-role missions. 11 of these fighters fell victim to ground-based defenses during heavy attacks. Replacing tandem seating with a side-by-side armored cockpit, the Sukhoi Su-34 is a dedicated heavy strike fighter. Over 25 were downed by Patriot missiles during dangerous high-altitude bombing runs. The Sukhoi Su-35 represents a massive avionics upgrade with advanced thrust vectoring over older models. Despite superior technology, roughly 7 advanced fighters were lost to sophisticated surface-to-air missile networks. We now shift our focus to the highly valuable command and control aircraft. Serving as a baseline flying command post, the Ilyushin IL-22 coordinates ground and air forces. Russia lost 3 of these critical planes to long-range missile intercepts and chaotic friendly fire. Upgrading from basic radio command, the Baryv A-50 features a massive rotating radar dome for early warning. Ukrainian forces brilliantly ambushed 2 of these precious radar planes over the sea. Replacing the older radar dome with a cutting-edge active electronically scanned array, the Baryv A-100 is an ultra-rare prototype. A targeted drone strike devastated this critical next-generation surveillance platform. We now transition to the heavy lifters, exploring the devastating losses in transport and utility aircraft. Serving as a baseline tactical cargo plane, the Antonov AN-12 relies on 4 robust turboprop engines. Russia lost at least 1 older unit to critical failures and hostile border fire. Massively upgrading cargo capacity with powerful contra-rotating propellers, the Antonov An-22 is a colossal strategic airlifter. The shocking loss of 1 severely injured Russian heavy hardware logistical movements. Shifting from massive strategic airlift to twin-engine tactical agility, the Antonov An-26 excels at short-field missions. Roughly 10 were tragically shot down during dangerous low-altitude frontline supply drops. Upgrading from older turboprops to 4 powerful jet engines, The Ilyushin IL-76 offers high-speed, heavy deployment. 7 transports were blown from the sky by devastating missiles and ground attacks.
Evolving beyond standard concrete runways, the Bayraktar TB2 introduces jet-powered amphibious utility. This unique specialized aircraft suffered a rare destruction when caught by unexpected drone attacks near coastal bases. Next, we examine the training platforms pressed into active combat, focusing on the jet trainers. Serving as a fundamental training platform, the Aero L-39 is often pressed into light attack roles. Both sides lost at least 5 to modern surface-to-air weapons near eastern fronts. Now we transition to rotary wing aviation, looking at the devastating losses among helicopters. Starting with a veteran platform, the Westland Sea King establishes the baseline for naval rescue. Ukraine tragically lost at least 1 legendary unit to a guided missile strike during coastal operations. Pivoting from heavy naval rescue to a much smaller frame, the MIL-Mi-2 introduces lightweight utility. Lacking defensive armor, around 3 were shot down by heavy machine guns.
Scaling up massively from the Mi-2, the MIL-Mi-8 provides essential medium transport capacity. Over 40 were mostly destroyed by portable air defenses during dangerous low-altitude troop insertions. Adapting the robust Mi-8 design for the sea, the MIL-Mi-14 features a specialized amphibious boat hull. 1 rare unit was blown out of the sky by a Russian fighter jet. Evolving from basic transport to direct combat, the classic MIL-Mi-24 adds heavy gunship armor and weapons. Despite thick plating, over 25 were shot down by highly accurate heat-seeking missiles. The MIL-Mi-35 heavily modernizes the classic Mi-24 frame with upgraded rotors and avionics. Even with advancements, roughly 8 were ambushed by man-portable air defense systems during assaults. Ditching traditional tail rotors for compact coaxial rotors, the Kamov K-27 is ideal for naval storage. Russia lost 2 to Ukrainian fire, dealing heavy blows to maritime patrol capabilities. The MIL-Mi-17 vastly upgrades the classic Mi-8 with more powerful engines for heavy logistics. Nearly 20 became massive targets for radar-guided missiles and coordinated ground artillery fire. Adding assault armor to the coaxial naval frame, the Kamov K-29 is a dedicated armed transport. Roughly 3 were destroyed by advanced waterborne drones and coastal missiles near Crimea. Eclipsing previous models, the gigantic MIL-Mi-26 utilizes an 8-blade rotor for super-heavy transport. 1 was completely destroyed by precise artillery strikes while sitting exposed on an active landing pad. Evolving the coaxial design into a premium attack platform, the Kamov Ka-52 introduces a side-by-side cockpit. A staggering 60 were exposed and downed by deadly shoulder-fired missiles and cannons. Trading side-by-side seating for a dedicated tandem cockpit, the MIL-Mi-28 adds heavy anti-armor protection. Roughly 13 were systematically shot down by surface-to-air missiles during close-range assault missions. Shifting to modern Western technology, the Airbus H225 features next-generation digital autopilot systems. 1 crashed in dense fog, resulting in a devastating blow to Ukraine's top leadership structure. Finally, we explore the modern battlefield, defined by unmanned combat aerial vehicles. Serving as a baseline imported strike platform, the Quds Mohajer paved the way. At least 6 were systematically shot down by anti-aircraft guns before executing their deadly attack missions. Evolving from early strike platforms to a compact frontline scout, the NX Eleron proved vulnerable. Ukrainian troops effectively neutralized dozens using specialized rifles and electronic warfare systems directly on the front line. Upgrading from propeller-driven scouts to a high-speed jet-powered engine, The Avenger offers advanced performance. However, Russian forces tracked its flight path, shooting it down with a complex air defense network. Pivoting from expensive jet platforms to a highly mass-produced tactical design, the Orlan 10 swarms battlefields. Hundreds were easily shot down using everything from electronic jammers to basic shoulder-fired missiles. Massively scaling up from small tactical designs to a heavy reconnaissance airframe, the four-post tracks targets. Over 15 massive drones were violently shot down by fighter jets and mobile batteries. Evolving heavy reconnaissance into a dedicated precision strike platform, the famous Bayraktar dominated early on. Over 20 were swiftly shot down as Russian defenses rapidly adapted with radar-guided missiles. Condensing surveillance capabilities into a smaller tactical scout frame, the Luch Corsair sought ground intelligence. Ukrainian troops actively hunted multiple units using sophisticated electronic warfare to completely blind enemy commanders. Advancing to a much larger medium-altitude, long-endurance strike frame, the Kronstadt Orion provides heavy overwatch. Ukrainian forces successfully jammed signals and blasted 6 advanced drones out of the sky. Trading massive size for a specialized, low-profile, stealthy footprint, the UA Dynamics Punisher conducts silent bombings. Several were brought down by intensive electronic jamming and precise localized anti-aircraft fire. The ultimate upgrade introduces a full flying wing stealth combat prototype, the Sukhoi S-70. In a bizarre and humiliating incident, a Russian fighter jet shot its own rogue prototype down.